Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is just showing you a quick way to get marker off just about everything. All you're going to need is some alcohol and a cloth. I've got isopropyl 70% rubbing alcohol and I've just got a regular old washcloth. I want to clean this up so it looks nice and fresh. Now, my advice would be if you're going out and you're going to buy alcohol to do something like this, I would buy the stronger one if you can find it. Mine is only the 70% one, but it's working fine. It is taking a little bit more elbow grease probably than the stronger one, but I am getting it off. And remember, if your area is not that big, it won't require this much scrubbing. There, all of the marker is gone. I keep all my rice in jars and I've got them labeled here. I'm gonna put a little bit in my bowl, dab it on, and you can already see it's starting to come off. And then a little wiping. And ta-da! Just like that, it's off your jar. I've just got a plastic bowl here and I'm going to generously apply this to my area. I'll let that sit for just a second and then I'll just wipe it right off and dry it. Just like that, the permanent marker is gone. If you have permanent marker on something and you need to get it off, this method works really great, especially on plastics and glass. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.